Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an October wrap-up video. October honestly was so fast. I feel like every month has been so fast this year though. It just feels like this year has been one big month. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I am going to go in chronological order of the things that I have made, and I'm going to start with this. I crocheted a pumpkin. It's so cute. I love it so much. I don't know, it's just so cute, and it was really easy to make. There's its little poopy area because the stem, but yeah, I really like it. I feel like I could have tightened these strings around a little bit more because he's a little squishy, but that's okay. I really love that. Oh, and I made another one for my grandma because it was her birthday this month. So I made another one for her because I thought she would like it. Now I didn't crochet anything else this month. Now we're going on to bracelets. So the first bracelet I made this month was this one, and it's really cute. I really like just the leaves, and it's just really cute the way it looks. It's pretty flat too. I don't really like the loop. I think I could have just started it in a straight line, but I wanted to do a loop, so yeah. But also I could have added an extra leaf. It's just already like so long on my wrist, so I didn't want it not to fit me. But yeah, I really like that one. It's really pretty. Okay, next bracelet I made, I don't know if I like it or not. I mean, it's really pretty, but it's the diamond cross bracelet. I used a purple sparkly string and a multicolored string, like a purple to blue. It's kind of like Masha Knott's hers, but a little bit different because she used different brands of string. Of course, I don't have those. I just use DMC, and it's really pretty. I like it. I don't know. I like it. I was trying to think of something I could criticize about it. I mean, I don't really know. Next is a keychain. I really love this one. It is so cute. It's just a little witch hat and a cat for Halloween. I used a neon orange string and a black sparkly string. I don't know how well you can see it, and I put a little gem right there, but yeah, it's really cute. This, I think, was inspired by Nini Knots. I'll pop up a picture of her Instagram, but it was inspired by her on Instagram. I really like that. Next up, I did this bracelet for my Halloween bracelets tutorial. It's kind of too late now to go, make them, I think, because, well, it's Halloween the day I'm posting this, so yeah. But I really like this one. It's really cute. Next bracelet. I love this so much. I'm making two more right now for my brothers because they both want one. But it's an Among Us keychain. If you don't know what Among Us is, you probably have been living under a rock, and you should go check it out because it's a fun game. And yeah, I'm always brown in Among Us. And my name is Poo Poo Peep, so yeah. That's why I'm brown. So, let me scooch these up. But yeah, I really like that one. It's so cute. Next up is this bracelet is part of a collection, a stitched chevron. I filmed a real-time knotting with this one, but the lighting was so bad that I had to delete it and make a new video really fast. So yeah, that was fun. But this one's really pretty. It reminds me of the Slytherin house because it's green and gray, and the Slytherin colors are green and silver, and the gray is kind of like silver, you know? So yeah, I don't really like it because it reminds me of Slytherin, so no offense. I don't even read Harry Potter or any of that. This next bracelet is probably my favorite out of the whole month and out of my whole collection. It is this really pretty, I don't even know, like alternating diamonds bracelet. I used for the dark blue, you can kind of see it, a dark blue sparkly string, and it's just really pretty. I love it so much. So, and this one took me like probably an hour and a half because I had so much fun making it. So this next one was for a YouTube video. It was my very last one that I posted this Thursday, and it was where I recreated my very first alpha pattern. I won't show the first one in this video, but you can go check out the other video to see the first one. And yeah, this is just really pretty. I love the pink background. I love the little heart keychain. It's of my dogs because I have 2 Boston Terriers and they're so sweet. I'm petting one right now because she's sleeping right next to me. Okay, funny story with this one. I went to the dentist this month, and one of the ladies there has, like, her office is themed The Office, like the show, and I was like, she liked my keychains and stuff, and I said I made them, and she got so shocked. And then I told her that I can make an office themed one, and she got even more shocked, and she like basically screamed, and the whole entire dentist office just looked over at us, which was weird. So I have to give this to her, but I made it. It's Dwight and it says false. I really like it. I hope she likes it. I don't know if her favorite character is Dwight. I don't know. I just chose this pattern because I thought it was cool. So yeah, that's all of the things that I have made this month. I mean, it was kind of a lot, but not really at the same time. So yeah. Also, I will be putting numbers with each of these patterns. You've probably seen them pop up, and that just means that I will have, like, for each number, the pattern in the description, and it'll be linked and you'll be able to just find it. So if you want to make any of these bracelets, they'll all be linked in the description. And then I will link the tutorial I used for this in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!